Hello everyone, respected ma'am, dear friend, a very good morning to all. Today we are gathered here to discuss one of the most inspired biography is known as Srikant Bulla. Before starting the presentation, I want to introduce myself. My name is Ashok Yadav. I am from Mumbai. I am pursuing my B.Tech in civil engineering from Noida International University. I am in third year of my B.Tech. Let's start our presentation. Meet Srikant Bulla, the blind person who built multi-crore companies. The journey of Srikant Bulla is full of inspiration to us. Every person can get some inspiration by his journey. Let's start his earlier life. He was born in Sitaramapuram in Andhra Pradesh, 7 July 1992. He come from very humble family. The whole family is depend on farming. When he was born, the society cannot able to accept it because he is a blind person. The After completing his class 10th, he want to take the admission in science stream, but the Andhra Pradesh education government did not allow to take the admission in science. He decided to file a case against to educational government education Andhra Pradesh education government. After the fight of 6 months, the he can able to pursue science stream. The result was surprise. After completing his exam, when the result is declared of class 12, he scored highest marks in his class, 98%. He became the topper of the school, but the 98% is however not enough for him to get the admission in IIT, because the IIT is not accept the disabled person. Therefore, he applied number of different university in abroad. After getting the admission letter from MIT, he was very happy. Then he decided to go there. After going there, after MIT, after he involved in different things in MIT like cricket, swimming, etc. Uh, After completing his education in USA, he come back to India and he understood that everyone cannot fight for his own challenges. Therefore, I like me. Therefore, he decided to launch his own industry. In 2012, he launched his own industry is known as Boland Industry with the help of another investor, one of the most famous businessmen from Mumbai is known as Anil Gavaskar, the first investor of Bullet industry is our seventh prime minister is also known as Missile Man is APJ Abdul Kalam. He is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He Srikant Bulla inspired so much to our president APJ Abdul Kalam. Therefore, he decided to become the first investor of his industry. After starting the industry, he hired the person who are disabled. He think that disabled is not a disease. It like a person is differently able. Therefore, he getting the success and running in a good condition his industry. But everywhere the challenges are there. After running with company, got the marriage. He got the marriage of Swati in 2021, and now he is become one of the most famous industrial in the world in the India. Now his company turnover is 100 cr. His way of working inspire everyone. The challenges and the challenges which he find in their life journey. First one, when he was born, the society can't not able to accept because of his blindness. But he decided and he decided I will do something because he become successful because he have a clear vision what to do and when to do, how to do. If you have the three answer by three of these three question answer by yourself, how to do, when to do and what to do, then definitely you will become one day successful. Just focus on the process of the vision because action is important in every field. Without action we cannot able to accept success. Now his one quote is very famous, like the world says Srikant, no do you can do nothing. I I reply world to I can do anything. Just the example is front of you. It inspires so many people, and the struggle and fight is not only there. Now the Indian government is also decided to disable person can study science and they also can get the invention in IIT. The fight of the one person is now getting the advantage of every disabled person. Just think if he not fight for his own thing, then now where he is. Might be he is doing agriculture with his father, but he decided to I want to do something big in my life. Therefore, he is on next level. Just think and decide what is good for you and what you want to do. Sometimes the struggle, the success is very challenging. Just we need to accept success is not very easy. We want to do fight every time. Be polite, loyal and humble because God is everywhere. I just want to give some lesson from this story. Be humble every time. That's all. Thank you so much.